Hi friends, in today's video we will make a unique birthday project using Arduino. So let's start. Components required for this project are Arduino Uno, 16x2, LCD with I2C, buzzer, 4 LEDs of any color, breadboard, some jumper wires. Let's connect all this. Follow the diagram and do all the connections. First, place 4 LEDs on the breadboard, all the short legs on the ground rail of breadboard. Now, place 4 jumpers on the positives of each LED. Now, connect these jumpers to Arduino pin 2 till pin 5, one by one. Now place buzzer on the breadboard, negative of buzzer goes to ground rail of breadboard, and positive to pin 9. Now, to connect LCD with Arduino, connect GND to Arduino GND, VCC to 5V SDA to A4, SCL to A5. Finally, connect the ground rail to Arduino GND. Now we have to code the Arduino board. Connect the Arduino to laptop and open Arduino IDE. Paste the code which I have provided in the description. You have to install a library called Liquid Crystal I2C. Also change the I2C address if needed. Mostly it is 0x27 or 0x3f. Select the correct port and board and hit the upload button. After the code is uploaded, as you can see that it's working. LEDs are blinking, LCD is showing messages, and buzzer is playing the birthday song. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon.